Simple ways to relieve stress. Engaging in activities that support self-care may help reduce stress and anxiety. These can include getting more exercise, mindfulness practices, and eating a well-balanced diet. Minimizing the chronic stress of daily life as much as possible can support your overall health. Chronic stress can increase your risk of health conditions, including heart disease, anxiety disorders, depression. Certain factors may affect your vulnerability to stress. These can include genetics, trusted source, level of social support, coping style, personality type, discrimination due to race, gender, or perceived gender, LGBTQIA+, socioeconomic status, or other factors, childhood trauma, your profession, stress and mental health conditions. Stress isn't the same as mental health disorders such as anxiety and depression. Although the tips below may relieve many types of stress, they are not a substitute for treatment from a mental health professional. 1. Get more physical activity. A 6-week study trusted source of 185 university students found that participating in aerobic exercise 2 days per week significantly reduced overall perceived stress and perceived stress due to uncertainty. The CDC trusted source recommends 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, as well as 2 days of muscle strengthening activity. If you're currently inactive, start with gentle activities such as walking or biking. Choosing an activity you enjoy can help increase your chances of sticking to it in the long term. 2. Eat a balanced diet. A 2022 review of Research Trusted Source suggests that people who follow a diet high in ultra-processed foods and added sugar are more likely to experience higher perceived stress levels. Additionally, being chronically stressed may lead you to overeat and consume more ultra-processed foods. Whole food options can include vegetables, fruits, beans, fish, nuts, seeds. 3. Minimize screen time. A 2021 review of Literature Trusted Source points out that several studies have linked excessive smartphone use with increased stress levels. Screen time may also negatively affect sleep, which may also lead trusted source to increased stress levels. 4. Practice self-care. Self-care doesn't have to be elaborate or complicated. It simply means tending to your well-being and happiness. Engaging in self-care is associated with lower levels of stress and improved quality of life. Trusted source. Examples of self-care include going for a walk outside, taking a bath, lighting candles, reading a good book, exercising, preparing a healthy meal, stretching before bed, getting a massage, practicing a hobby, using a diffuser with calming scents, practicing yoga. 5. Try journaling. Journaling may help reduce trusted source stress and provide a positive outlet for your thoughts and emotions. You can also try a guided journal if you'd prefer more targeted, expressive writing. 6. Reduce your caffeine intake. Consuming too much caffeine may worsen stress, according to a 2021 review of Literature Trusted Source. Overconsumption may also harm your sleep, which can increase stress. Coffee alternatives. Matcha green tea shake, vanilla chai tea shake, chai spice shake, carrot ginger smoothie. 7. Spend time with loved ones. Having a social support system is important for your overall mental health. A 2019 study trusted source in 163 Latings college-age young adults associated lower levels of support from friends, family, and romantic partners with higher perceived stress. 8. Create boundaries and learn to say no. Being selective about what you take on, and saying no to things that will unnecessarily add to your load can reduce your stress levels. Creating boundaries, especially with people who add to your stress levels, is a healthy way to protect your well-being. 9. Avoid procrastination. Procrastination can cause stress, which negatively affects your health and sleep quality. You may also be more likely trusted source to procrastinate in times of stress as a coping mechanism. A study trusted source in 140 medical students linked procrastination to increased stress levels. 10. Take a yoga class. Research trusted source shows that yoga can help reduce stress and promote psychological well-being. Yoga may also help trusted source lower cortisol levels, blood pressure, and heart rate while increasing levels of gamma-aminobutyric acid, a neurotransmitter that's low in people with mood disorders. 11. Practice mindfulness. Stress reduction techniques that utilize mindfulness include meditation and mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, MBCT, a type of cognitive behavioral therapy. Meditating consistently, even for short periods, may help boost trusted source your mood and decrease symptoms of stress and anxiety. How to hold space. Holding space is a form of mindfulness that can reduce stress. It involves allowing yourself to feel your emotions without self-criticism. Learn how to hold space for yourself. 12. Cuddle. Studies trusted source show positive physical contact may help relieve stress. These types of contact may help release oxytocin trusted source and lower cortisol. In turn, these effects help lower blood pressure and heart rate. High blood pressure and increased heart rate are physical symptoms of stress. 13. Spend time in nature. A review of 14 studies trusted source found that spending as little as 10 minutes in a natural setting may help improve psychological and physiological markers of mental well-being, including perceived stress, in college-aged people. Hiking and camping are great options, but some people don't enjoy, or have access to, these activities. Even in an urban area, you can seek out green spaces such as local parks, arboretums, botanical gardens. 14. Practice deep breathing. Studies have associated diaphragmatic breathing with stress reduction. Deep breathing exercises include diaphragmatic breathing, alternate nostril breathing, box breathing. Deep breathing aims to focus your awareness on your breath, making it slower and deeper. 15. Spend time with a pet. Having a pet may help reduce trusted source stress and improve your mood. When you cuddle or touch your pet, your body releases oxytocin, a hormone linked to positive moods. Having a pet may also help relieve stress by giving you purpose, keeping you active, providing companionship.